Hey, what's up everybody? This is Baki here again with a new video on my scoreboard overlay that I've been working on. Recently we were in Texas Showdown and we were getting good usage out of the new features that I added for fetching the players via Start GG. What happened was that when you fetch the players, it goes into Start GG, finds the stream queue, and then gets the next players that are to show up, and then it automatically shows up as a drop-down list from the next players, and you hit next round, and then it should go through the stream queues so that there's less manual typing in the names and getting the names wrong. And I've since then made a little bit of optimization so that I'm not pulling in names that are for games that already happened. So there are little bugs just from testing it. This is the first time we actually utilized it, so we discovered some little bugs about it. The main thing was that when we were going on to the next games, the players are not getting removed from the next players, and the queue is just kind of getting messed up. We couldn't really clear it, so I added a little bit of optimization here. And also the main thing I added this time around was to actually update Start GG itself via my scoreboard. So I used the GraphQL endpoints for Start GG so that I was able to automatically update the scores here. So let's see, let's just do a little demonstration here. So first we used to fetch next players. So what it does is use a GraphQL call to Start GG endpoints, and then it'll grab all the items in the stream queue that you'll see here. Right now we only have one game here in this test tournament that I set up. Now it went and called into Start GG. So now see, you have the drop downs for the names. You can change either of the names, and they should match the players that actually matched up together in the stream. So what we want to do is hit next round. They pop up here. Now let's say, the games are going. Now the games are over. I won. We want to go to the next round. So what happens now, we hit next round again. Now what's happening in the background is that it's actually calling Start GG now. Now I'm gonna go to my code. I have the server running here. As you can see, it made a call to the GraphQL endpoint, updating them with the scores. Okay, so right here you can see in the Start GG, the scores have been updated dynamically via the GraphQL endpoints. And now everything looks okay on the scoreboard and ready for next players. And we just fetch more players as more players get added to the stream queue. We no longer have to worry about getting the same ones, because what happened last time was that the tournament runners were not updating the scores fast enough, so they're still in the stream queue. So by the time we're ready to fetch for the next players, we would get the same players back again that already played. So that was the issue. And hopefully this way, when we go to the next players via the scoreboard, then Start GG will update, and then those will get kicked out of the stream queues so that we don't get these duplicate names coming up here, keep getting refetching them over and over again. So that was my solution. Let's see, we can go back to the code real fast. Added some endpoints here in my server to report the scores. And as you can see, we had to build out the responses for each game results. So what I did was here, it's not exactly correct. I just used some heuristics because I'm not gonna add the additional logic of seeing who won game one, who won game two. So what I did was I just went through it. Whoever won more games is gonna give them more of these, because of the data structure is gonna give more of these game entries that they won. So it's not gonna be exactly correct reporting on the Start GG as like player one won game one, player two won game two, etc. It's just going to alternate between the two, and ultimately whoever won is going to win the last game, and then that's the reporting is going to show that way. And most of the times the TOs are probably not doing it exactly like who won game one, game two anyways. They have no idea. They're just putting in the scores. So I think this is a good compromise. I don't need to overcomplicate things. So yep, there it is, guys. Hopefully we can use this in the next tournament. It's going to help us run the tournament smoother, being able to fetch names better. We also had some issues last time with the flags not switching. I fixed that. And also the names coming in here were not of, I think they were ASCII and not UTF-8. or at least on the scoreboard. Not in here, they're okay. On the scoreboard display on the stream, so we had some issues there. That's also fixed. So yeah, every time we run this, we find different bugs and stuff, and trying to make it better. So anyways, all the stuff's on my GitHub. I don't know if you want to use it or not, but we'll be using it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.